We do have the professional pilot in our team.
Drone position matters a lot when you are flying the drone. The chance of accident will be more. Rather than the project, you need to pay more attention towards the safety of the drone. Drone accident clips. Watch and enjoy.
Do you know how to fly the drones? We do take up the drone survey projects a lot, and we do have the professional pilot in our team. Even those professional experienced pilot has made a mistake in drone takeoff. I'll show you few clips of those drone takeoff. If you find any mistake, any fault in the air takeoff, please let me know in the comment box. If you are watching video for the first time, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.
Drone position matters a lot when you are flying the drone. You need to know which is forward direction, which is backward direction, right and left direction. Now, if your drone position is different, then if you push forward, then the drone comes back. So if the position is different than what you are expecting and what you are flying, then the chance of accident will be more. See, the drone is a costly toy, and especially if you are using it for a survey, too costly. The drone safety matters a lot. Rather than the project, you need to pay more attention towards the safety of the drone. To identify the position of drone, the red blinking light represents the front and the green blinking light represents the back, especially in DJI. So if you see the sensor, that means you are seeing the front. So when you are flying, your forward has to be the drone forward direction, and if you pull back, then the drone has to come towards you. This is how you have to fly the drone. I have given a few tips to identify the mistakes. If you identify any mistake, please mention it in the comment box.
Let's jump into the video.
Here I have a few drone accident clips. Watch and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.